is dreaming of a fulfilling career down under Australia. How to become a registered dentist in Australia, and let's know about the ADC exam, Australian Dental Council exam. Unlocks the endless opportunity from the urban clinics to the rural community. Australia offers a diverse range of opportunity to your career and your dream. When you're passing the ADC exam in globally, your clinical status is elevating. In ADC exam, it is evaluating your clinical skills, knowledge and competence to ensure you meet the high standards that is required for practice in Australia. What are the main features of ADC exam? ADC exam has total 20 MCQ questions based on 56 clinical scenarios, and each of them have 5 additional questions. This exam, maximum you will get 8 hours for this exam. For the preparation of the exam, you will get 16 weeks. And the main important thing, this exam don't have any negative marks. And your passing grade should be A and B. This is the passing grade, clearance, for the clearance. So these are the features of ADC exam. Let's prepare for the ADC exam. All the best.